Hi guys, we are back from TwnsHungama. Myself Sidra. This is Saqib. As Saqib told in the last video, we are going to show you how to make Ninja Stars. So let's start.
So first, for making Ninja Stars, we need 2 square papers. So we have a square paper here. So we are gonna fold it in half like this. So half. Then you need to open it. You see a line over here. You take this corner and keep it at the line. Okay, so do the same. The other side. So it should look like this.
Like this, Saqib?
Yeah, perfect. Now fold it in half like this. So again fold it in half. Okay, so we folded it in half. So we have open area over here. So it is down. Bring it up like this.
Like this?
Yes. Open it. Okay, so you have an open area. Oh, okay, nice. So you need to take this corner and keep it at the line. So do this. So do the same with the other side, but do it down.
Like this, Saqib?
Yes, now flip it over, Sidra, and make a triangle. So make a triangle over here. Also, don't make a triangle like this. Turn it and make a triangle over here.
Like this, Saqib?
Nope. Yeah. This over here. Do like this. And this over here. So.
Thank you, Saqib.
So fold it like this. So our first ninja blade is ready. So we need 2 ninja blades. So I have the second one here. So oh, you also kept it with you. So place it in a X like this.
Like this?
Can you guys see? Okay.
Yes.
Keep this corner above it.
Like this, Saqib?
Yes. Now do the same with all of them. So this is the tricky part and the fun part. So open this area a little bit so this can go in. Keep it all the way in so it is tight. So our ninja blade is ready to throw. So for playing with ninja blade, oh, you're done?
Almost.
Okay. For playing with ninja blade, you should not throw it like this. You need to throw it like this because when you throw it like this, it hurts a lot. So,
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.